Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through editing your WordPress homepage. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to be able to complete the tasks featured in this video, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription in WordPress.com that costs $40 in order to access all the premium features. Now, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally by telling you the instructions, and if you listen carefully and follow them, you're gonna be able to complete this task and edit homepage in WordPress.com. Now let's dive in and do the steps together. The first step is to identify your homepage. Before you do that, you have to go to WordPress.com and enter your account credentials. Once logged in, go to settings in the left sidebar right here and go to reading right here. Click on reading. Check if your home page is set to a static page or your latest posts. Choose a static page if you want full customization. Let's see here. You're gonna see this right here, and once you're done, you can edit these options right here, and once you're done, click on save settings right here. This should save your settings. Second step is to edit with the default editor. To do that, navigate to the pages here. Let's go to pages and click on all pages, and then find the page set on your home page. Click edit to modify it using the Gutenberg editor and add or update blocks like text, images, or widgets. Now for the third step is to use a page builder. If you use Elementor or a similar tool, click edit with Elementor to make changes with drag and drop ease. To install Elementor, you're gonna have to install the plugins, which requires also a paid subscription. Now for the fourth and final step is to customize your theme. And to do that, just go to appearances right here in the left sidebar again and click on customize right here. After that, you can edit homepage sections like featured posts, sliders, or testimonials directly through the customizer. For additional tips, keep your homepage visually appealing with a strong call to action and test your homepage loading speed to improve users' experience. And that's it for today's video. That's how you edit homepage in WordPress. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.